Okay, as any equations, look to solve these 5. Again, if you want to pause the video and navigate yourself, please do. The first one is a fairly straightforward one. This 3 we need to get rid of. To do that, we multiply both sides by 3. So I'll write this as 2x minus 1 equals, and I think we just multiply it out, don't we? That's 3x plus 15. Now I want to move the x's. Now I can move this way, but that will give us a negative result. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides here. Minus 1 equals 3x. Take away the 2x is just 1x plus 15. And then I'll subtract 15 from both sides, and I'll get minus 16 equals x, or if you like, x equals minus 16. All right, now this one here says substitution one. Given that v equals u plus at is a physics formula, we have to put in 12 for v, 5 for u, and 6 for a. So we'll do that. So it becomes 12 equals, then this will be 5 plus 6t. A very simple equation, isn't it? Subtracting 5 from both sides, you're going to get 7 equals 6t. Now when you divide both sides by 6, you get a fraction, but you just leave it like that. 7 over 6 is okay, or if you want 116, same thing. Both are correct. Right, moving across to number 3. It looks fairly complicated, but it's not. What you do here, because you've got this vernacular fraction bar here, right, what you can do is you can simply multiply this one by x minus 5 and that one by x plus 1. Okay, so it becomes, because you're multiplying both sides by x plus 5 and x plus 1 at the same time. That's x minus 2, bracket x minus 5, equals x plus 3, x plus 1. Now that's going back to the previous video, removing the brackets. We're going to get x squared. That's minus 2x minus 5x minus 7x. Minus 2 times minus 5 is plus 10, equals x squared, 3x, and 1x is 4x. And that's going to give me 3. 3 times 1. Alright, notice here nicely, these guys go out for us. And then what I'll do, I'll take this across to the other side. So 10 equals 11x plus 3. Subtract 3 from both sides, you will get 11x must equal 7. So x equals 7 over 11. It's your final answer. Alright, this one a little bit harder. Again, we'll watch this minus sign. Think of what we did before, fractions. So we'll just we'll simplify this fraction. So I'll multiply that one by 3, top and bottom. This one by 2, top and bottom. So that becomes 3. I'll put the bracket in. And this one will be minus 2 bracket y plus 1. Don't forget the denominator. Equals 1. Okay. Very important, that little step there, because this is the danger of this negative sign. Removing the brackets, we're going to get 3y minus 3 minus 2y minus 2. And at the same time, if we like, we can multiply both sides by 6. So 6 times 1 is 6. 3y minus 2y is y. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. 6. Y equals just 11. Alright, a little problem one here. 3 consecutive odd numbers add to 69. What are the numbers? And you can I could guess them, I guess. But doing it as an equation, we'll say that we take the first odd number as 2n minus 1, and we'll make the next odd number, that's going to be 2 more than that, so that'll be 2n. Adding 2 on that becomes plus 1. Oops, we'll add these, won't we? Plus. And then the next one will be 2n plus, add 2 onto that, 3. And that's going to give me a total of 69. Now 2n plus 2n plus 2n is 6n. And these guys go out, plus 3 equals 69. 6n must equal 66. So n must equal 11. So when n equals 11, we can put the 11 back into this one here, the first one. So 2 times 11 is going to give me 22. Take away 1 is 21. So the first one is 21. You don't need a substitute because the next one's going to be 23. And the next one's going to be 25. Okay, that's done.